Hello everyone, thanks for watching the videos. My name is Matt. I'm from Wrench It Up Plumbing and Mechanical. We're doing some DIY videos to show everyone how to prevent things or how to fix the simple plumbing problem that I'm sure that everyone has encountered at their residential house or at the workplace. So one of the common things that we are facing is a low water pressure. So in this specific videos, I'm gonna show you how to diagnose a problem and how to fix, if it is possible, a low water pressure on the kitchen faucet. We got a Moen kitchen faucet over here. No matter hot or cold, we have a low water pressure. So the first thing that we wanted to do over here, we wanted to see if the low water pressure is happening only on the cold or only on the hot or on both of this. Cold always stay on the right side, left always stay on the left side. On this specific setup, the handles is on the right side and the handle is facing upward. So if I face toward the handles, the right side should be cold and the left side should be hot. So I'm gonna start with this one's cold. The water pressure is low. Hot, the water pressure low. So what this indicates to me is apparently there is issue with both hot and cold, which most likely this would end up in a problem into the faucet itself, because there's less possibilities that anything below the faucet, like both hot and cold, will get affected at the same time. Better to shut the valves off once fully and then turn it back on, just to make sure if any debris or anything solid stuck into the shut-off valve, so it will be relieved and then the water will flow again. Okay, now we test the shut-off valves. Let's see if any changes happen. So it's a low water pressure on both hot and cold. So let's do some more tests. The next things that we wanted to do is the sprayer head. So for the sprayer head, a lot of time you do not need tools, so you can simply open it up with your hand. So over here, the nut and then the sprayer. So you're just holding the nut and you go counterclockwise like this. You'll be able to open up the sprayer head. So once you opened up the sprayer head, you may need your both hand and you may release the hose. To open up the sprayer head, what you have to check is to see if there is any construction dirt and debris or any mineral that is stuck into the filtration system. To do so, the first thing first, the inlet. You check up on here and you see if there is anything on this. So if you see any dirt and debris on here, you simply can clean it up. See if you can clean it up. If no, then you're trying to wash it up. Now, if this is clean, then the next things would be the filtration system at the mouth of the sprayer head. You can see a lot of calcifications. In this specific one, we're going to focus on the low water pressure, which would caused by construction dirt and debris or any mineral that flow through the pipe. So now next things that what we have to do, we got to trying to take the filtration out and then trying to clean it up and put it back together and see if that's going to make a changes. So I'm going to refer to simple tools that you may all have at home. Over here I got a plier, which obviously it's a professional plumbing plier. You may not have this style at home, but don't worry, any type of plier may do the work. Side of this, a little nose over here, which is very common tools at home. So you're trying to see if you can remove the sprayer head. If you look at on here, there is a 4 set of opening into, or 4 opening into the sprayer head, which would indicate that this place is meant to take a tools for opening. Okay, just gonna take this off and check it inside. So if you see there is multiple layer of filtration inside this, a lot of time this debris will be stuck into this filtration system and causing a blockage. So I'm gonna just take it off and clean it and make sure everything is good. So you can take it apart. Once you took it apart, you can just clean them up, remove all the debris from this and put them back together. So I removed all the debris that I could see into this. Hopefully that will fix the problem. We're gonna put the parts back together. Don't forget about the gaskets or the seal. Put them back together. Just gonna tie this back to the position. So just gonna use the simple tools that you had and give it like this. Okay, now obviously I'm looking for the hose. It's not in here. So on this specific one, they give me an options to disattach this, but a lot of this faucet does not have this options. If this is the case for you, you have the hose here, just gonna grab it and push it. So you see, so it come off. So I'm gonna hold this and I am going to put this back. Don't worry if you don't have this style of the faucet. So once this is gone, underneath the sink there is a weight which is holding or which is pulling these supply hoses down. So let's go and have a look. This is the weight that we're talking about, and as you see, this is the one that pulling the hose down. So you're just gonna grab the weight and you're just gonna push the hose up. That's how you can retrieve your hose. Once you have your supply hose, then you're gonna just hold it and you're just gonna put your sprayer head back together. So you're gonna hold this and you're gonna go clockwise this time. So go gently and give it a nice tight with a hand. You don't need tools a lot of time for this. Now we're gonna test this and see if this solves our low water pressure issue. Obviously we're gonna try with a cold. Oh yeah, much better, much better. So let's go give it a try on hot. Yes, much better. Obviously doing this did solve our problem. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and don't forget about like, comment, share and subscribe. Support our channel. Make a comment for any problem that you may have, you wanted to address, you wanted to do a video and show you how to prevent things or how to fix things yourself. For any reason, should you need to contact a plumber, don't forget it, Wrench It Up, Plumbing and Mechanical, 416-800-5050. You have a good day.